Hi there my gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jay Makori. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today I'm going to show you on how to style your natural hair. Like, you know, it is a wash and go kind of a hairstyle, and we are using a Gorilla hair gel. So let's jump into the video. Start by combing your hair using an afro comb, and make sure your hair is clean, like you've washed it, you've treated it and done all that is required for a healthy hair. Make sure your hair is wet, like not that dripping, you know, like it is dripping water, no, like it is just wet, like kind of damp, you know. So I washed my hair a while ago and it dried, so I'll just, you know, put some water to make it wet. Take your Gorilla gel and put just a little, not too much. Apply the gel on your hair. I'm applying it like just on top. I'm not doing it in the middle. I'll add more gel. And when you're doing this, don't apply the gel yet on your baby hair, because this gel dries so fast. So when you apply on your baby hair, it will give you difficult time to style your baby hair. Take your hairbrush, I'm using this one, and brush your hair to whichever part you want to style it from. For me, I want to put it in the middle. Once I've combed my hair in the middle, I'll tie it at that particular place, and I'm using my elastic band to do that. So with this hair, I'll hold it because I'm doing a band. Then I'll add just a little gel, like that, and make sure everything is slipping there in place. So I'll go with the brush again. I'm going to lay my edges using the same gel with my old clean brush. to make it to be like it will make the hair to be in place and look well laid. So just tie the scarf. I let it be like that for like 5 minutes. So let me do my makeup as I wait, for my edges and hair to lay in place. I've already done my makeup and it's that time to remove the head wrap and see what's there. So next I'm going to use my bun or extension, and I'll just put it here, tie. I just love how this Gorilla hair gel makes your hair to be so in place, like, it looks so sleek. I'm going to spray my bun using this Soft Free Curl Moisturizing Spray. That was it with the Gorilla Gel. Wow, my hair looks so amazing. Let me try to give you my back view. I don't know if you can see that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you try it. We will always interact there. And again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye bye, until next time, love you all.